Hello everyone, I am Professor Pawar SV from Sundarabai Manikavsa Polytechnic, Ahmednagar. In last two sessions, we have started the topic whys. In whys, we have learned till now simple present tense. The sentence given in simple present tense, how convert into active to passive or passive to active. Then simple past tense, those sentences in simple past, how they convert into passive to active or active to passive. Those sentences are in continuous present continuous tense. Those sentences are in past continuous tense. Those sentences are in present perfect tense. Those sentences are in modals. Number 7, number 8 and number 9, past perfect tense. Number 9, future perfect tense. Number and last, imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. We have learned till now those sentences are in simple present, simple past, present continuous, present perfect, given in active to passive how they convert and passive to active how they convert. Today we will discuss the sentences given in past perfect tense, how they convert into active voice to passive voice or passive voice to active voice. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Let's take one example. He had visited us. He had visited us. He had visited us. He had visited us. Here is his subject had V3 and us object had V3 for. There is given past participle and also had, so it is in a past perfect tense. It is in the sentence given is in a past perfect tense. The structure how it converted into a passive voice. Number first, object plus had been plus V3 plus by plus objective case of the subject. Objective case of the subject, if the pronoun is given, you have to convert it into an object. So according to the structure, we will solve the given example. Let's take according to the structure, first object us, we convert it into a subject because us is in an objective case. We then had been, according to the structure, had been. There is past participle given in a past perfect tense. So let's take it visited, then by and objective case of the subject. There is his subject, him, by him. We solve it according to the passive structure. Let's take another example. She had taken a pen. The example is in a past perfect tense. Let's take first object, a pen, then had been, then past given past participle taken by, and objective case of the subject by her. This is the structure. Those sentences given in the past perfect tense or converting the passive voice. Let's take third example. I had seen a market. I had seen a market. Let's take object first. Here is I is subject, had seen verb, a market object. A market, then had been seen by, and objective case of the subject I. There is me is the objective case of I. A market had been seen by me is a correct answer, or is a correct passive voice of the given sentence. Turn to the next, future perfect tense. Those sentences are in a future perfect tense. How they convert into a passive voice? Future perfect tense. Let's take an example. Let's take an example. Neera will finish the project. Neera will have finished the project. Here is Neera is a subject, will have finished for, then the project is an object. The structure for those sentences are in a future perfect tense. For converting the passive voice, object, then will plus have been plus V3 plus by, then plus objective case of the subject. So let's take first object, the project. Here is the project is an object. The project will have been, then V3 finished by, the project will have been finished by Neera. There is not pronoun, so name will be taken as it is. Second example, he will have punished by the teacher. Or the teacher will have punished him. The teacher will have punished him. The teacher will have punished him. Let's solve it with the help of given passive structure. First object, here is him is an object, so it converted into a first person, he, then he will have will have been punished, then past participle punished by the teacher, by the teacher. We will see the third example. She will have paid the fees. Here is she is subject, we have paid verb and the fees object. So take first object, the fees will have been, let's take past participle paid. The fees will have been paid by, and then objective case of the given pronoun she. There is given she, so her is an objective case of she. Those sentences in a future perfect tense, we solved it or we converted it into a passive voice with the help of given passive structure. And last topic in this voice is those sentences are in an imperative sentence. Those sentences are an imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means those sentences are request or advice or order or suggestion, etc. How they convert into a passive voice. Imperative sentence. Let's take example. Close the door. The example is in a imperative sentence. The sentence, how we identify the types of sentences. It started with verb one, so it is imperative sentence. It is an imperative sentence. Passive structure for imperative sentence: let plus object plus be plus V3. Let, the answer of the given sentence, let, here is object the door. Let the door be closed. Let the door be closed. Another example, open the window. Open the window. Here is open for the window object. We solve it with the help of given structure. First, let the window be opened. So, from the last 3 sessions, we learned the topic of grammar voice. Those sentences are in active voice, how they convert into a passive voice, or passive voice, how they convert into a active voice. Those sentences in simple present tense, simple past tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, present perfect tense, modals, past perfect tense, future perfect tense, imperative, how we convert it or how we convert them into a passive voice, we learn with the help of the structure. So this topic we learned from the last three sessions how they convert into a passive voice, as how they convert into a active voice. Let's take 9 examples in a various types of sentences and solve it. We will take 9 examples. First example. She makes a kite. She makes a kite. She makes a kite. Second example. He wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. Third. The birds or I have finished this topic. Fourth example, I had completed my project. Then fifth example, save me. Or another example, she is writing a novel. Next example, sixth example, he was giving tips. Seven example, I can do it. And last example, for example, make a noise. There is 8 examples given. First, she makes a kite. This is in simple present tense. The sentence given is in a simple present tense. How it converted into a passive voice? Let's take object, a kite. According to object, we used to be, is, then V3, makes, V3, made, then by, and then objective case of the given subject, given pronoun. There is she is given, so its objective case is her. So a kite is made by her. Let's turn to the next sentence. He wrote a letter. The sentence given into a simple past tense because there is given V2, wrote is V2 of write. So let's take object, a letter. According to object, we used to be, was, then V3 of write, return, by, and then objective case of the given pronoun him. There is he given, so its objective case him. Third sentence, I have finished this topic. Let's take this topic first. Let's take object, this topic. So the given sentence is in a present perfect tense. So according to the passive structure, we have taken been. This topic have been have been, then V3 finished. This topic have been finished by me, because me is objective case of I. Next sentence, there is also given the sentence in a past perfect tense. So let's take object my project had been completed. My project had been completed by me. Then the sentence is in a present continuous tense, because there is going to be is and verb ing writing. So let's take object a novel. According to object we use to be is. Then eliminating ing we use being. A novel is being. Then V3 upright, written by and given, objective case of the given pronoun her is a correct passive voice of the given sentence. Then he was giving tips according to the given object where. There is a plural, so where is correct to be where. Then being is used instead of verb ing, being. Then V3 given by him, objective case of the given pronoun. Then there is sentence given in a models. Can is a models, so it can be V3 done by me is a correct passive voice. And last, make a noise, it is in an imperative sentence. Let a noise be made. We solve those 8 examples with the help of the given passive structures. So this topic is finished here. Thank you.